All right, it's 7 a.m., my final day of hiking. I'm at the base of Gobblers Knob and Mount Raymond. Going to be pretty aggressive elevation climb, and I'll check in later. So I've climbed 1,000 feet in 1 mile, and I'm at the split for Alexander Basin, Alexander Basin, and the Bowman Fork. So I've climbed 1,800 feet, and it's about to get really steep. I'm gonna have to climb up into this basin right here and up onto that saddle. I think this is called Mineral Basin. The climb to Gobblers Knob was 2.5 miles, 3,081 feet of elevation gain. It was really steep most of the way, but man, it's beautiful. So I've made it down to the pass below Gobblers Knob and Mount Raymond. And so I lost a lot more elevation than I was anticipating, but that is where I hope to go. But man, it's quite a bit of climb. So I'm climbing Mount Raymond, and I've come to an interesting spot. It's been a trail so far, but suddenly there's this spine right here. Kind of falls off that way. It falls off that way. So I wish this could do it justice, but this is the ridge all the way down to Baker's Saddle. This last part, it's tough. Use my hands a lot, some deep breaths.